Are you in the game now?
Okay then. Oh, someone's like, so I want to give a shout out to the people in this thingy. So we've got Cherry Berry, we've got Moshe, who I'm on call with, and Little Tiger 45. So let's get this show on the road. You shall cut a few parts out, aka parts that Skincast already. So then we get closer. Just have to casually insert this little pun here right now. Ha ha ha. They replied with, I'm good. XD. I'm bad because I feel like, great lol. I thought it would be a better response than that. But clearly they do not get any jokes. They took my area. No. My area. We are getting closer, guys. We are getting closer. This person said they've got one from a ground chest. That is rude. That is not fair. It's so illegal. What colour? I didn't mean in caps. Oh well, your music is so loud. Yes, please. Oh, I think I've already got that one. Let me have a look. Yeah, I have that colour. I'm lucky. No. By the way, if you hear baby, that is sister. I like chiblings. Same. They're so. I'm not gonna say anything.
Oh my god.
What? That was my notifications.
You gotta do the sound effect now.
I couldn't. We all get the same. Animal Jams just rejected me. Drum roll, please. Really? I'm keeping it anyway. We just need to find the last white. I hope we get a spike. Hope we get a spike. I'm poor. I actually am. I don't have any spikes. Yeah, it is. Really? Yeah. I want a spike so bad. Ooh, we're gonna find the last white, Ari. No, you can't. Oh my god, people, I need a moment. Hold on. Someone apparently found it. Let's go check.
She found it, she can take it.
Did she actually? Drum roll, please. Yay! That's actually an amazing prize, to be honest, for once. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and no more for a few days because I'm going to my mum, so see you later. Bye.